Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting money where purchases draw from, your Apple ID balance. Open the App Store and tap your profile, redeem a gift card, or choose Add Funds to Apple ID. Use an Apple Card, a physical gift code, or supported carrier billing to top up any amount you want. Once done, make sure the new balance appears under your account. This balance is prioritized for in-app purchases, so apps will draw from it before other payment methods. Next, trigger an in-app purchase so the system applies that Apple ID balance. Open the app, choose the item or subscription, and proceed to the payment screen. Apple prefers Apple ID balance automatically. If you see a different default card, tap Change Payment Method and select your Apple ID balance. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID used to add funds, if not applied. Sign out and back in so the account refreshes, and finish by authorizing the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Watch the balance decrease and check purchases in the App Store for a receipt. If the purchase fails, first verify you have sufficient Apple ID funds and that your Apple ID region matches the App Store region. Mismatched regions block balance usage. If money was taken but the item didn't deliver, save the transaction ID and contact Apple support. This speeds resolution and ensures refunds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.